Leo, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Leo, let's start your reading. Let's see what is coming for the Leo people for the week of 19th through 25th of October 2020. So yeah, guys, this is just the insight for you guys to stay focused to all those things which you want to achieve, and stay away from all those things which are going to be a blockage in the way of your success and happiness. So just stay focused so that you can achieve the blessings and happiness from the universe. Okay, more and more and more abundance from the universe. So yeah, let's get the deck for you guys. This is for the Leo people, the 19th through 15th, oh sorry, 25th. Three of Wands. Okay, I hope you can see the card. So Three of Wands is a travel card. For some of you want travel. Hermit. Six of Swords, again traveling, and this is also expectations. Chariot. Four of Wands, wow. Hanged Man right in the heart of your spread. King of Swords, Aquarius energy. Page of Swords. Okay. Two of Wands and Seven of Swords. So Leo, I'm feeling that you are dealing with a person who is right now going through some kind of solo journey. Okay, and at the same time they are expecting you to come to them, like they want you to come towards them. And I'm feeling that maybe you are planning travel with the Three of Wands energy. Okay, not towards maybe specifically that person, but like for enjoying and for going out, and you have met suddenly with the person of your destiny, and then bam, things are going to happen fast for you. Okay, with this Hermit card, Six of Swords and the Chariot. See, this person, if this is you have gone through your solo journey. You have now gained that wisdom, that strength, that maturity, so that you can decide for yourself, so that you can make decisions for yourself, so that you can choose for yourself. Okay, and you're going with the flow. I'm feeling that you are not controlling anything, Leo, but your person, I'm feeling that you are planning travel for the other person, because maybe they are a little bit, you are more you are leveling up. Okay, so you are you are a step ahead, okay, in the journey of yours, like in the journey of your maturity and spirituality, and that wisdom. And this person is a little bit behind than you, but they want to be at your level. They want to catch up. They're going to be at your level very soon. Wow. Now you know that, yeah, I don't want to do bad for me. I don't want to do all those activities which can give me that bad karma. You're taking control of your life, okay, but you're not controlling the other people or person. And that's great. That's beautiful. So I'm feeling that this person really expecting you to come towards them. They are expecting you. They have high expectations. Okay, so with the Four of Wands, Hanged Man and the King of Swords, I'm feeling that this person is maybe you are going to meet this person in a party or something like that, a get together or a marriage, like others' marriage, like, okay, they are also invited and you are also invited. So maybe you are going to have an encounter with this person again, and that will be a pause for both of you, like You know, that beautiful lovely time of wow, like you see them, they look at you, you look at them, and then there is a pause. So this is the pause I'm feeling, like that. And then communication happening between you and them, like wow, oh wow, this person is expecting you. Maybe they are not having all those resources to travel towards you, and you are the more wise person, or maybe you have more money than them. That's why they are expecting you to travel towards them. Okay, the Page of Swords, Two of Wands, and the Seven of Swords. I'm feeling that this person I'm feeling that you are watching this person. Okay, if you are not, you can switch the roles. This person is moving on, okay, and at the same time they are expecting you, and you, because you know what, because you are watching them, and that's why you are projecting all those kind of energies towards them. Maybe they are more focused with the King of Swords energy, okay, the Aquarius energy, very cold and blunt, and they are very focused on themselves, but at the same time in the back of their mind they are actually expecting you too. With the Seven of Swords, maybe when they realize, then like when they think about the past time, that they realize that yeah, you have done something, maybe Seven of Swords like with them, sneaky or nasty, and that's why they are not in contact with you, but they want you to travel towards them. Okay, let's see what is the Three of Wands here, because Chariot, Six of Swords, Three of Wands, all are these travel cards. Or maybe you're planning travels, maybe you want to give them a surprise. Four of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Emperor. Wow. Ooh. So this person, definitely they are gaining control of their life now, okay, and they are also getting money, they are also achieving abundance. Wow. But at the same time, with the Four of Pentacles, maybe right now they have no so much money with the Four of Pentacles, but they are going to have money and more abundance, okay, stability, and like they are getting achievements in their life step by step, and before they have that enlightenment, and now they are going to be abundant, and then they will go towards that beautiful, strong, long-term relationship. So wow, yeah, beautiful for this person. And if it is you want to be the provider as well. You want to be the provider for this person, because I'm feeling that that this person has less money than you. That's why you want to offer them money, and you offer them you want to be the provider for this person, okay. If they are the divine feminine energies, then you want to be the divine masculine, okay. So let's see, what is the Six of Swords here? What is the Six of Swords here? What is the Six of Swords here? Five of Wands, Two of Swords, King of Cups. So both of you love each other still. You have love for each other, and both of you know that yeah, there were arguments, there were fights, but not too much like that extreme point, no. And I'm feeling that maybe with the Two of Swords energy, maybe you were not revealing your feelings to them, okay, and you were not deciding, like, should I need to reveal my feelings, or should I need to seal my feelings, okay. With the Two of Swords, like you were just protecting your heart, and that's why arguments happen, that's why they walk away, that's why, because love is still there. They are expecting that soon you will realize that yeah, that was not right, and then you can come to me. Like they are expecting you to come to them. This is the vibe I'm getting. Let's see, what is this Hanged Man here? Because now you are more mature, now you're more enlightened, now now you're taking control of your life as well, Leo. You're very strong. and you know that you are strong. Okay, so Hanged Man, Page of Cups, Tower. Ooh, 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 ooh. Nine of Pentacles. Yeah. So wow, this pause is going to be necessary. Like I was telling you that you and them meeting at a ceremony or something like that, at a party, and then both of you look at each other, and then the pause with the Hanged Man. That is destined. That is destined to be happen. And wow, this is like, in that pause you are going through every scene on the flashbacks of the past, and then you will offer them that, yeah, I'm feeling that they are going to be very beautiful, divine feminine energy, and you are offering them love with this Page of Cups. This will be sudden for both of you. This will be sudden. This will be sudden. Where is this Page of Swords? Justice. Wow. Libra energy. Knight of Wands. Lovers. Wow. Okay, what is this? Page of Wands. So this person, see, universe wants this because this is destiny. This is also Justice card. Universe wants to balance things out for you, Leo, and universe is giving you the chance, okay, to make a choice and to follow your heart's desire with the Page of Wands, like to do all those things which are making you happy. Just don't do anything which is actually forcing you to do, okay? Just do with the all those things which are making you happy, and go with the flow, and just don't be a stuck person, okay? By doing all these things you can create balance in your life, okay? Wow, where's the Seven of Swords here? Okay, this really wants to come out. Patience, Sagittarius energy. Yeah, the past thing has actually create imbalance in your life. Ten of Wands. Yeah, Star. And now there is going to be a second chance, because both of you need to end all those toxicity of the past, all those negative behaviors of the past, and all those mistakes and bad deeds like you have done with them, they have done with you. Universe wants you to forget them, and want them also to forget all those things, so that things can move forward. Yeah, that imbalance was there. Maybe that was not the right time with this Sagittarius energy reverse, that Temperance energy reverse. Maybe that was not the right time. So that's why both of you were playing games with each other with the Seven of Swords energy, but now the time has come with the Star energy. So wow, so this is I have for you. I hope it helped. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.